Yes, good.
Okay, so dear students, here is Mangesh Borkar sir, and with us, uh, Lohkare sir, Nagpal Lohkare sir from Hyderabad. Basically, he is from Wardha district of Maharashtra. He is working as deputy director in APEDA, which falls under Ministry of Commerce and Industries, and he is a father of Tanvi, who is studying in ninth standard. And Tanvi's parents are having a great dream that she should become IS officer in a very first attempt. So Tanvi attended last sessions also, when I organized a separate session of my earlier colleagues of UPSC, Dhananjay Vanzari, who is a joint commissioner, joint director at NADT Nagpur, and Dr. Upsen Borkar, who is also joint director at NADT Nagpur. Both are IRS officers from 2008 and 9 batch. So she attended that session also, and after she also attended this session of 8 days. So she is having a driving force of her parents, and she want, and I am also observing her activities, her involvement into all this session. So as a parent, I am expecting like few words from Nagbal Lokare sir with respect to the activities of the Sambodhikar Academy, and as he himself is an officer in Central Government of India. So I am also expecting that he should guide and give some vision to these students. Okay, as a senior most officer of the government of India, and we don't need to give detail in detail lecture, but it's a small this thing, kind words of you. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mangesh sir. Actually, this is indeed a very good time to us to learn and how to focus my kids in a proper direction. So, due to this reason, just I joined this class. As a parent, I want to tell her ki how the strategically the planning and the study to get the success in the IS preparations. That I learned a lot of things from your sir. This type of the strategical program, and that same should be inculcate in my kids when right now she is though in the ninth class, but dream should be the higher, then we can means plan accordingly. That I have learned a lot of things from your side. That of course during my time I never heard the UPSC, but when I sit in the Ministry of Commerce, sit beside the additional secretary, chief secretary, and joint secretary, I observed they are very specific people. They don't
Exactly.
want they don't want to go beyond that particular subject. Whenever we are trying to go outside the subject, they are trying to pick up on that to bring on the that particular rail. That strategy I have learned from them. And same idea what I learned from the ministry, I have shared with my people. I faced the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce. I faced the Public Account Committee of the expenditure, where
Great.
we faces all these issues. I have shared all this my experience, day-to-day experience with her, how to deal with your issue, how to focus your study. That I have already done, but by studying all the UPSC's the syllabus from your side, strategically how to go, that she helps lot of things. From the sixth or from the fifth class onwards, I started to misread the Hindu newspaper, and we are forcibly doing that thing to do that thing correctly, right from this to get the success. Now we got such a academy through which I never miss the forgotten this academy. I want to be associated for long life, being as a social cause to spread this all idea, spread their all missions up to the ground level. The last man should get the benefited due to once the as a civil aspirant. If you become the civil aspirant, you must should be a the thing. You are sitting in the AC chamber, but you should think on the grass person how they get benefited by by manufacturing that scheme to the last end result. That thinking should be developed in such a manner in this means whether you are the officer as a IAS or the supporting officer to the IS. Your vision should be very broad. I just
Exactly.
what I learned from the ministry, what I miss as a the official public service servant government I served for the common people, how to get the farmers benefited. Now earlier the Dr. B said tell to they have dedicatedly run the Kisan Rail. Yes, we are also benefiting. We are providing the direct benefit to our farmers, how they get their produce from the Andhra Pradesh to the Delhi, how to get the double the income. That was the vision of the government, to get the doubling the farmers income. That is, we are also thinking such a way. Not only when we are thinking one I would like to share one experience with you. When I was joined the stakeholder consultation meeting for the export of the grapes to the European market. In that, some farmers have raised the issue that they didn't get any the test reports. So sometimes these big exporters, they hide that report and take the undue advantage and bargaining their produce. They have demanded in the public committee, public consultation. During that time I was the in charge. Now I have forcefully enforced that decision into the management. I tell to my chairman, senior chairman, so he agreed, yes, you are right, that should be do for the sake of the farmers. Now the farmers get benefited and happily they are ready. They ready. The very good decision taken by the APEDA official. They appreciate the effort. Now my question to all the coming new aspirant, they should to be the really ethical officer. Though you have to think, not the government of India paying for us, no issue at all. But after satisfying your appetite, you should think for the society who are in the weaker area. Definitely, if we think in such a way, that we should have to think. That's why whatever I learned from this during this tenure, the major issue is what I feel in Delhi. We are not extrovert people. Being as an aspirant, you should be a proactive. Whatever you have taken the decision, it may be wrong or right, but whatever the decision you have taken in your means on your table, that should be a very confident. That I learned from this. And your proactiveness in any involvement or lawmaking process should be very important as an aspirant. I am telling to you all this as a parent. What I learned, that I have sharing with my kids day-to-day activity. Why I learned these things from that senior officer. Now she is telling. And ethics, one more ethics. I have been transferred in the mid of the January in Guwahati, but I directly personally meet with the IS officer. This was my issue. And when I get the transfer from the Delhi to Guwahati, how can keep my family in Delhi? Delhi is not safe on that, but that officer, ethical officer, that was, so he immediately hold the transfer till the further orders. That this type of ethics should be developed by the new aspirant. And this type the idea should be inculcated. I have trying to inculcate this idea in my kids. So thank you Mangesh sir. Really,
Yes,
it's
yes.
a very good experience. And really I want to join with you as a mentor for my kids, because being as I have to go outside every time, once or twice in a year, out of country. That's why I'm not able to pay much more attention to my kids. But hereafter I am assuring you, you should be a mentor for my kids and to develop
Yes, yes, yes.
become as a good
See,
aspirant.
now your family means your entire family is a part and parcel, or you are a family members of big Sambodhi family. Okay, Sambodhi is not like a ownership of Mangesh Borkar. It's a family, and there are hundreds of students, earlier students, and that's why only on my single word, many of my students, those who are serving, and many of my colleagues, those who are serving to government, so they appear on screen and they deliver their lecture. Okay, and even there are so many activists who are associated with Sambodhi's this mission, and we are trying to do our best for this society and for this country without giving much publicity to our work. Okay. uh, so thanks a lot, sir, and thanks a lot. And really, it's you are also taking great efforts for Tanvi and your other another children. So it's appreciated. And on the behalf of Sambodhi, I express my gratitude towards you also. So thanks a lot. So students, we are concluding this session today here itself, and whatever the next session, so I will send you message on Monday. Okay. So thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, sir. Okay. Chalo. Thank you.